All right, you guys got to hang on for this week because it's crazy. We got a new rack, we got a new awning, we got a shower room, we got a new tent. We met up with locals, subscribers to watch a movie. We met up with Clint from Dirt Garage and Sean from the Story Till Now. Hang on, buckle up. This is gonna be a wild ride. Let's go. All right, guys, we got that awning on there. Now we got to get to the theater for our movie meetup. Should be a good time. Let's go.
You vlogging?
There's still enough.
Our friend James from True North Coffee served up some delicious coffee. That's delicious.
It's delicious.
We got to meet a bunch of you this evening. The turnout was overwhelming. Can't wait for the next one. I do wish we had more time to talk to each and every one of you.
Like kind of blow interferes. No, opposite automatic. It does by itself. But yeah, no, it's lots of fun. I go 60 feet. 61 feet is my personal record for free diving right now. So, but the scuba you can go obviously deeper and longer.
The next day, we met up with Ferretti Tents, who hooked us up with this great rooftop tent.
Oh no. Those are the locks, so
Am I supposed to push them out?
so look, when you want
Got the rooftop tent on. Finished 10:30 last night, getting this thing on there. That was a lot of work to get this thing to fit. But anyways, we gotta go meet up with Clint from Dirt Garage and Sean from the Story Till Now. They're camped somewhere pretty close by, so I gotta rush out there and get over there. All right, guys, we just hit the trailhead. Airing down. Big rush to get there. I'm gonna try to get them before they're eating breakfast. Make some coffee and enjoy the day. All right, I made it to camp. Sean's still sleeping. No, he's not sleeping. He just woke up.
I'm awake.
Yeah.
We're good. Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging. First thing.
Literally, as we're crawling out of bed, he shows up.
Made it just in time. You guys know Clint from Dirt Garage. So he's out for the weekend and they did some wheeling and I was supposed to be here yesterday, but hey, I'm here today. All right, let's make some breakfast, have some coffee.
Enjoy the moment.
Enjoy the moment.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Bam.
And just like that, it was time to head back. Unfortunately, no time to wheel this day. But I had to take this opportunity to meet Clint, his wife Sam, and his friend Corey. Now let's go over the new setup. right, so our channel just got sponsored by BF Campers and Ferretti Tents. BF Campers hooked us up with a shower room, which I will show you in another video. This awning, which is incredible. It's a one-person setup. You roll it out. There's no posts. You don't have to mess around with it at all. Takes 20 seconds to set up. And this rack, which holds everything on there. Ferretti Tents hooked us up with his clamshell hard shell tent. Totally different than the Smitty built one that I was using before. With the hard shell, it feels more like a room. You go inside, it's dark in there, you have a hard roof, it's got this quilted texture, very nice inside. The mattress is very comfortable. So with BF Campers, their awning is made to work with the Gladiator. It kind of sticks up and over the cab a little bit. Unfortunately, the Ferretti tent is 2 feet longer than our box, so it also sticks over our cab. And this rack doesn't work with that configuration. However, BF Campers, being the company that they are going to redesign this rack specifically for the Gladiator, which is huge. If you own a Tacoma or a full-size truck, you can actually get this rack right now. It's good to go, ready for your vehicle. All right, we do have to talk cons, and here's what I foresee. We haven't got a chance to use it yet, but we are a family of 3. With this style of tent, we're gonna lose 20 inches of length and 10 inches of width. So as a family of 3, that's gonna make a big difference when we're in there sleeping. Also, it's an ultra slim design. The tent is only about 5.5 inches tall once it's all folded up, which is great for the highway, but we can't store our sleeping bags in there anymore. We have to figure out a different way of carrying our sleeping bags. So I'm thinking maybe some sort of hockey bag or weatherproof bag to put everything in there, and then we'll have to carry it in the bed of the truck, as opposed to the other style, which Ferretti also does sell, the soft shell. You can keep your sleeping bags inside. You don't have to worry about storage. But that's something to consider if you are a family of 3, or if you have a pet, a dog that goes up into the tent with you. The clamshell style may not be the best choice. I don't know yet. We're gonna see how it goes. You know, Theo's gonna be 8 in August, so he's growing quickly. Let's see what happens with this. So we are gonna be putting these things to the longevity test. I am planning on running all these products for a while and seeing how it holds up. If there's any of these products that you would like, check the description down below. Use the coupon code Unwinding Roads. You're gonna get a discount on any of this stuff on their website. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment in the description and I'll answer them. Also, our merch is available at dirtyanddangerous.com, and add us on Instagram at unwinding_roads.